Hi. Friends, the question is how to determine a successful administrator. A simple and straightforward answer is the ability to get things done. Delivering the result is important. Perhaps it is the most important criteria in a private sector organization. Whereas delivering the results conforming to the rules and regulations is equally important in government sector organizations. Whether it is private sector or government sector, effectiveness in the present position is a prerequisite for further career advancements. I will share with you a story about such a successful and respected administrator. It is Sri Upendra Kamath. He was the then head of accounts department in Oriental Insurance. One of my friends was working as a company secretary with a major private sector company in Delhi. He was to collect a check from the investments department of Oriental Insurance Company. He came to Oriental House where the security people sits at the entrance. On telling about his work, the security advises him, आप कामत साहब से मिलिए, आपका काम हो जाएगा. You meet Mr. Kamath, your work will be taken care of. He came to second floor, met Mr. Kamath in his chamber. Kamath received him even though he has come without a prior appointment. On understanding about the work, Sri Kamath talked to the concerned official in investments department and asked him to get the check ready as quickly as possible. Proper courtesy was extended to the visitor, and by the time the tea and chit chats were over, the check was ready in the investments department. And Kamath sends the visitor to the concerned official in investments department along with a staff from his department, so that the visitor is able to collect the check from the concerned official without any hassles. He has gone back from the office so impressed by the behavior of Sri Upendra Kamath and the company in general. When he told me this story later on, he was so praising of Mr. Kamath, and he was telling even in private sector it is difficult to find such an executive. Friends, the work was not pertaining to the department of Mr. Kamath. He could have well told the visitor, you please go to investments department, and washed off his hands. But he didn't do that. He treated the visitor guest properly and attended the work as if it is pertaining to his department. Upholding the reputation of the company. by his behavior. And this is a model which each one of us can emulate in our day-to-day working. Now you may ask, that is because only Kamath is a senior executive. This example is not relevant to lower levels. Sorry friends, is applicable to all levels. I was transferred to Bangalore and I was in search of a school for admission to my son. I went to a private school on a Saturday where I could meet only the security guards. I asked them what is so great about this school. One of the security guards told me, "Sir, this is a school where children like to come even on a holiday for studying and playing." He took me around the school, showed me the playground, auditorium and other facilities and told me to come on Monday. I was little hesitant. I asked him, will there be any difficulty in meeting the principal? He looked at me. May home now? Am I not here? I am here to support you. I am here to guide you, help you. And friends, who is talking? He is not even a permanent employee of that institution. He is working in a contract firm which provides securities. And he is temporarily posted to that school. He is there today, tomorrow he may be in some other school. But he was attending the job passionately. He was loyal to the institution and was taking pride of the institution from where he gets his salary, albeit indirectly. That passion impressed me. That passion will impress everybody. So my advices are, always work beyond your job profile. Always work with passion. Recognition will come to you. Recognition will come to you, if not today, tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.